It's a historic day for Jammu and Kashmir. The first ever Jammu and Kashmir Real Estate Summit is currently underway here in Jammu city, and top industrialists from the country, from the field of real estate sector are here. They are discussing the potential of investment in Jammu and Kashmir, and earlier today MOUs were signed between the JNK government and the top real estate players of the country. Right now, you can see that a session is on and very important discussion is taking place. The people who see here in this auditorium are some of the important real estate players of the country. They have come from different parts of the country, and here on the podium you can see that a panel discussion is on. It's on the Vision Jammu and Kashmir for real estate sector overview, opportunities and challenges. So it's a big push on the investment front in Jammu and Kashmir, and more than 2 years after the abrogation of Article 370 and 35A, finally there is some forward movement as far as investment in Jammu and Kashmir is concerned. JNK government is trying its level best to attract investors from across the country, and today the first ever Jammu and Kashmir Real Estate Summit is taking place. MOUs have been signed, and JNK Lieutenant Governor has asked investors to come to Jammu and Kashmir and invest here. He has said the JNK government is going to provide concessions in stamp duty, and there will be a single window system for approval of the projects. So JNK administration is trying its level best to attract investors. Today is an important day in the history of Jammu and Kashmir. The first ever real estate summit is underway, and the emphasis is on investment in Jammu and Kashmir. And the government has said that some people in the politics are trying to resort to fear mongering. The JNK Lieutenant Governor as well as Union Minister Dr. Jitendra Singh has addressed the concerns of the
My last
people.
question,
He has
to
said
you
that
before we
people
close.
and the local industry need
कंटिन्यू
not
ठीक है
fear.
now for a few months जो
If
जितनी भी है
investment will
देखिए
come
आप
to
आ
Jammu
रही
and
हैं जा रही
Kashmir,
हैं
it
पिछले तीन
will
महीने तो बहुत ही ज्यादा
lead to job creation,
रेट की
and
पब्लिसिटी
the
हमने सुना
problem of
आपको क्या
unemployment
लगता
will
है
be
कि
tackled.
क्या
So
फ्यूचर रहेगा
he has
इसका एज अ
also,
प्राइवेट सेक्टर
Dr. Jitendra Singh has hit
सर
out at
मैं
some of the
हर चीज को
politicians of
थोड़ा
Jammu and
अलग
Kashmir who
तरीके
are
से
resorting
समझता
to
हूँ
fear
लोग जहाँ
mongering.
जिसको प्रॉब्लम
And he has
समझते हैं
said that
उसको
the government
अपॉर्चुनिटी
is committed to overall
और
development of
ये
Jammu and
ये
Kashmir.
हमें दुर्गा जी का विश्वास
Investment is
मुझे
an
सीख दीजिए
important way through which the
सर के पास
government wants to
कोई भी प्रॉब्लम लेके जाओ
uh,
अगर सर
create
करने को दे
jobs in Jammu and
तो वो
Kashmir.
प्रॉब्लम का सॉल्यूशन
Today,
वही
the
निकाल
first
के
ever
देगा
real estate summit is on.
तो सर
The government
देयर इज
is
ट्रिमेंडस
giving many
अपॉर्चुनिटी
incentives
एज
to
इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर
investors so that they can come
बिकॉज
here, invest here,
टेक इन अ पॉजिटिव वर्ड
and
आई मीन टू से यहाँ पर अंधेरा
the
है
leading investors of
अक्सर
the country
मोहब्बत
have
की
said
लड़ाई है
that they are not going
और
to
मोदी
come
जी
to
ने
Jammu
यहाँ
and
पे
Kashmir
काफी
for earning money. They are going to
अपने
come here
पावर
for
प्लांट्स लगाए
development,
तो इतनी
for the
बिजली आ
welfare
जाएगी इतनी
of the
रोशनी हो
people
जाएगी
of Jammu
पूरे
and Kashmir.
वर्ल्ड में सबको
With
स्पेस
video
मिलेंगे
journalist
तो ये
Neeraj
कहीं
Kumar,
और
this
देखने
is
को नहीं
Sunil
मिलेगा
Bhatt reporting from
वाह वाह
Jammu
वाह
for India
वेरी
Today.
नाइस